Okay, this is a video tutorial, part 3 for the USB-C crochet stitches. And we'll do the half double decrease and half double increase, and then a double decrease and the double increase and the triple decrease and the triple increase. It's very easy if you can follow me. For the beginners that's starting to crochet or trying to crochet, I'll make it so slow. We'll do it together. First, we have to do our foundation stitch. We'll do the chain. You can use any hook or any thread for practice. Before you can do your project, you have to practice if you're just beginning to crochet. This is our chain stitch. Then chain 2, 1, 2, and then in the third chain you have to go put your hook, and then you put your hook again, and this is how you decrease. And then it's in the next chain, this one, and then the next chain you have to put your hook in this one. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you pull all the way. So you decrease one chain, and then to increase is you're gonna go put the next chain, and in the next chain you have to go put another chain. That's how you decrease. So one chain, two half double crochet. So we're gonna go decrease again. So one chain, and we're gonna go pull all the way, and that's how you decrease. And then you're gonna go to increase is you're gonna go pull this one, and then in the same chain you have to do another half double crochet. I hope it makes sense. And then this one we're gonna go decrease, and then this next one we have to go increase, in the same chain you have to put another half double in there, so it looks like this one. And then in the next chain we have to decrease, so one chain, in the next chain you have to pull all the way, and in the next chain we have to increase, and in this next chain we have to decrease. See, wrap around, and then the next chain you have to put your hook on the next chain, and then you pull all the way. And then if you want to increase this one, so you're gonna put another half double crochet in the same chain, another half double crochet. So this one is decrease, increase, decrease, increase. So it's just even with that one. Okay, we did the decrease. That one is decrease. Now we do the increase. So we'll go half double crochet, and then in the same chain we're gonna do another half double crochet. And if you wanna decrease with this next chain, we'll go this one and then another chain, so that's 2 chain, then we pull all the way and then we'll go. So now we're gonna go, to make it even, we're gonna go decrease. So this one gonna go like that, and then we pull all the way, and then we'll go increase, the same chain, so we'll go, this one is increase, so we're gonna go decrease, and then we'll go to the increase in the next chain, and then we'll do the decrease, and then we'll do the increase, and then we'll do the decrease, and then we'll go chain, double crochet in the, we have double crochet in the end. So our stitches is look like this one, half double, decrease, increase. So that is the half double, decrease, and increase. We'll go do the double decrease and the double increase. Okay, first we chain 3 for the corner, 1, 2, and 3, and then we'll go the decrease, sit 1, 2, we chain that one, and we'll go to pull that one down, and then we'll do the increase. This is a double crochet increase, and the same chain you put your hook in there. So this one chain was increase, and then we'll go the decrease. So that one is double crochet, but it doesn't pull all the way, but we have to go do the next chain, the next half double crochet, and like that, and then when all pull the way, that's see, that's increase, decrease, increase. Decrease, decrease, increase, decrease. Okay, so we have decrease now, so we'll do the increase. In this one, in the next half double crochet, we double crochet, and in the same space we double crochet. That's our increase. Now we go to the decrease. The next half double crochet, we'll go the double chain, and then in the, but see, I didn't pull all the way, and then in the next half double crochet we'll go make another double crochet and pull all the way. So it's gonna be like that. So now we have to do, this one is the increase, we do the decrease. So we'll go do half double crochet, and the next chain we go do half double crochet, and there's 3 and then we'll all pull away. And then the next chain, we'll go do the decrease. Oh, that's the decrease. And then we'll do the increase. Then we'll do this one is the increase, and then we'll do the decrease. And then we'll do that one is the decrease, and then we'll do the increase. All the way to the end. This one is a decrease. And then the increase. And then the decrease. And then let's go finish off with our chain with our double crochet on top of this increase little thingy there. That's how it's look like, the increase, the decrease. I hope you learned something. And then we'll go do the triple. Let's crochet 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 for that first triple. And then let's go do the increase first. See the same double crochet, you put 2 stitches in there, and then to decrease, and then in the next stitch you put your needle in there, and then at the end you have 3, you put all 3, and then that's the decrease. To increase you have to put this one, and in the same stitch you have to do put your another stitch in there. That one is the increase, decrease, increase. So we'll go do the decrease again, and it's gonna be like that. Leave 1, that makes 2, and then you put your needle or your hook in the next double crochet, and you have 3, you put all the way, and then we'll do the increase, and the same space you put your triple crochet, and that's your increase. And then that's the increase. Then we'll go to the decrease. So the next double crochet, you put your hook in there, and you have 3, and you put all the way, and then we'll go the decrease at the increase. That's 2 triple in one chain, in one double crochet, and then we'll go leave one, and then put it in the next double crochet, pull the way, and then we'll do the increase, the same space double crochet, we'll go make another triple, and then we'll do the decrease, it's 3, and then pull all the way. Then let's go to the increase, I hope you learn, and for this part 3 video tutorial, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. And I'm uploading every day for different stitches. And happy crocheting. Thank you for watching. This one is a half double, this one is a half double, decrease and increase, double crochet, decrease and increase, triple crochet, decrease and increase, so they make it even. Thank you for watching.